Hi guys, welcome back. How are we doing? I literally spoke to you yesterday because it's Vlogmas. Vlogging is so my thing at the moment that like these sit down videos just feel really weird to me these days. I don't know, excuse my hair. As you guys may have picked up, I had a party the other day and so many of you guys asked me to do a tutorial on the makeup that I wore. It was pretty simple, not all that revolutionary, but I thought I would do a little get ready with me and just show you the look. You've also been asking me for a tutorial on the makeup I wore to the benefit party, and I'll let you into a little secret. They are both the exact same look. I just changed the colours. So the same technique, even the same palette, I just used a different shade. So I'll talk you through that as well, and I'll show you where you would change things for the benefit look. So it's kind of two looks in one. So the first thing that I did was I fake tanned, got myself all bronzed. My tan is fading a little bit at this point, but I was super dark. I went and got my nails done. I absolutely love them. If you haven't been following the vlogs, I'm now an acrylics girl. Who saw that coming? Not me. And I also whitened my teeth. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen I posted a little IGTV talking about how I've been whitening my teeth. I've been testing out HISMILE. It's a 6-day treatment. So the week leading up to my party, I use this every single day. So you get this little tray here that you put in your mouth. You get the shade guide so you can watch your progress. You get the syringes full of the whitening product, so you can see this one I've already used half of it because you use half a syringe per use, and you get the light which activates the gel. I start with their toothpaste, A, because it's pink. I'm having a little bit of a love affair with pink right now, and B, it's just good for your oral health. Obviously everyone should brush their teeth twice a day. That should be a no-brainer to you guys. I just have been using the HISMILE one just to keep my teeth in check and avoid, you know, sensitivity, gum disease, all that kind of stuff. So what I'm gonna do is just tell you a few of the products I'm gonna put on my face. I'm gonna put in my teeth whitening trays and leave them for 10 minutes. So the first 10 minutes of this video, you can watch me pulling ugly faces and doing my brows and my base, and then I'll get onto the interesting stuff when I can talk to you guys again. If you can see here, there's like a plate which mirrors the shape of the light, and all you do is you push it in like this. I do recommend doing this before you put the gel on. It's a little bit less messy because I have done it the other way around before. Got gel all over myself. So do this first because then you can go hands-free. While my teeth are whitening, I'm going to use the Peter Thomas Roth 10% Glycolic Solutions Moisturizer, one of my favorites ever, followed by the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Just sadly relevant for my party. And then two products that you guys will know very well from this channel, my Neod Photography Fluid in opacity 12% and my By Terry Cellular Rose Brightening CC Serum. I'm gonna mix those two together, put them all over my face, and then go in with my favorite foundation of all time, the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade Barcelona. And of course, go in with my 3-product brow that I do every single day, Benefit Brow, 24-hour brow set, and Gimme Brow. That's probably about as far as I'll get in the first 10 minutes. My teeth will be whitening, then I'll go spit, and I'll come back. So you're gonna wanna put 1/4 of the syringe in the top and then 1/4 of a syringe in the bottom. Pop this in my mouth and let's start getting ready.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh,
10 minutes. I literally did what I thought I'd be able to do in 10 minutes. Perfect. So the light will beep twice and turn off when the 10 minutes is over, so you guys will know. I've noticed a huge difference. And obviously I've just finished a 6-day like treatment time just before my party, so they're still pretty fresh and white. If you're concerned about pain or sensitivity, I haven't experienced any of that, and I've found some really, really amazing results. I'm super, super, super happy with them, and it's so easy to use, and literally you can get ready for your day and it doesn't have to take any extra time. So I will link HISMILE down below if you guys want to check it out. Let's get on with the rest of the look. I am back on the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer hype. I used the shade Golden Beige. I love it. I forgot how much I love it. I forget how smooth it makes your skin look. So I put this anywhere where I need a little bit of extra coverage, you know. And then on any blemishes, I use my NARS Radiance Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel and pounce it in. All of these steps from Benefit and my party are exactly the same. I've been doing my base the same like every day. And then a light bake with my Laura Mercier Translucent just under the eyes and at the sides of my nose. Now, are you ready for the fastest, speediest, but most effective eye look in the entire world? I used one of my favourite palettes ever invented. This is the Dose of Colours palette with Desi and Katie. I basically, for both looks, I used these two shades, and then for the Benefit look, I used this shade, and for the party look, I used this shade. That is the only difference. I'm going to take the light brown transition shade, and this we are going to pack into the crease. I'm taking a nice clean brush, get those edges real nice and soft. And then you want to take the darker brown, pack it on the outer and the inner. I didn't have a lot of time to get ready, okay? We threw this makeup on. Buff it up into the crease. I then took this MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid Eyeshadow, Blinking Brilliant. It's a gorgeous copper, and I just tap that in the centre. Not a lot, literally barely any. Just up to the crease, like that. It looks wet, it looks incredible. I just tapped it slightly with my finger. And then I took this shade from the Desi and Katie palette. I took this one in Benefit, and then this one on top, and I just went on top of that. So the gold is kind of covered up by this shade. That was merely just like a shimmery base. I'm doing this video a little bit more cash because this look is so easy that I don't feel like it needs like a full-on tutorial. I took that same first transition shade and I ran it under the eye. As always, I am literally going to the polling station like this. This is the makeup I'm wearing to go vote. They're gonna be like, I want to vote for whoever she's voting for, and I hope that they do. Okay, next I took a little black liner. The glitter that I used is this Golden Gal glitter from Festival Face, and it's got loads of different size glitters. It's got like bigger bits, smaller bits. It's a great way to do a really cool look really fast because different sized glitter kind of looks like you've gone to the effort of putting loads of different sized glitters on, and actually you haven't. I just popped a little bit of lash glue just in the center of my lid, and then I went in with the glitter, and I just took what's in the lid. I took a few small bits and then a couple of medium and chunky bits, and I just tapped it on top. I just think it looks so cool, and it's such a fast way to get such a cool look. And then I did the same thing just on the lower lash line, but with one medium-sized glitter, which looks really cool in pictures. Just do a little dot of glue under both, like that. I'm not 100% sure what these lashes are. I think these are the lemon meringue lashes from Unicorn Lashes. I just contoured my nose. While the lash glue dries, I'm gonna bronze. I used the Fenty Beauty Island Ting bronzer. I love this bronzer so much. It just makes me look so warm and bronzed and glowing. And I've been keeping my contour nice and high these days. And I've been wearing a little bit less because since I've lost some weight, my face has really slimmed down. And I just find I don't need as much contour, to be honest. Lashes are on. The eyes are complete. Did you see how quick that was though? For how like glam this look is. That was so quick. We're on to the final steps. You guys know I have like a genuine love affair with this blush. It is the Diego de la Palma. What's this even called? The name is rubbed off, but it's this. I think it's the only shade of this that they have. It is the perfect pink, and I am gonna buy another one so that when this one runs out, which it will be the first blush I've ever used up, or if heaven forbid it's smashed. Not even funny, not even worth talking or joking about. And I go in on blush these days and I bring it right up into the center like that. Obviously, my favorite highlighter is MAC Oh Darling. I've been wearing this every day for months. It's one of 2 highlighters that I took away with us, and it's the only one I actually wore. Look at that. A tiny bit in your inner corner just to brighten that up a little bit. And then because it was my party and you can be as bougie as you want on your own birthday, I went over with the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter. It is honestly, can you see that? It's a bit of a joke how gorgeous this is. It actually looks wet on your skin. So I just took some of that and I only put that on the very high point. Because this is more like glitter. You can get away with it better in like a dark club or a dark house and not look too crazy. You can wear whatever the hell you want, wherever the hell you want. Okay, and then finally on my lips, I used Becca's Ultimate Lip Definer in the shade Vacation, which is like the perfect dark nude. I gave myself some chunky lips. And then fill it in a little bit. For my lipstick, I'm going to take a really light brown tone nude. This is Viva Glam Gaga 2. It's discontinued many years ago. But take your favourite nude, whatever nude you like, and blend it in with the lip liner. And that was the look, amigos. That is how I looked on my birthday party. Loads of you guys were asking me about the dress that I wore. I felt like a fairy princess baby chicken. It was amazing. I think it is sold out, which is why I haven't been telling you guys. It was just off of ASOS. It was like £120, but I will link it down below. I think I'm gonna do a little segment in one of my upcoming vlogs about some different party dresses, if you guys are interested in that. If you are, let me know. Ignore my hair, it has a mind of its own. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go vote now and I hope you guys did the same. I'll link HISMILE down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. I've tried quite a lot of teeth whiteners in my time because it's always been something very important to me. Having white teeth is a huge priority in my beauty routine, and this one I'm really enjoying. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have the best day, and I will see you guys tomorrow for a combination of today's vlog and yesterday's vlog, because I'm gonna double them up because today took over a day, didn't it? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.